Top 4 Ways to Earn Money. Hey guys, welcome to our channel X Learners. In this video I'm gonna tell you top 3 ways to earn money. So without wasting time, let's start. So basically you can earn money from social media like YouTube, Instagram, and also you can earn from affiliate marketing. So let's come in our first point, which is YouTube. There is 2 conditions in YouTube. First one is you must have 1000 subscribers on your channel, and second condition is you must have 4000 hours watch time. If both of these completed, then your channel get monetized, due to which ads start coming on your channel and your revenue start generating. So the question is on which topic you should make a video. You can create a motivational channel in which you can earn money by making videos just by giving voice and through animation. Fitness channel is in high demand because everyone want to look fit and fine, so you can also create fitness channel where you can give fitness tips. You can easily earn 1 lakh rupees monthly from YouTube. Now let's come in the second point, which is Instagram. In Instagram you can create a page like memes page, motivational quotes, fitness tips, beauty tips, business tips page, etc. If you grow this page in 3 working months, then you will get sponsorship post and story from it. People will give 500 rupees to 700 rupees for promotion post and story of their products like clothes, caps, perfumes and other things which they want to promote. You can earn minimum 18,000 to 20,000 in month with your 3-month work on Instagram page. Third and last point is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an online sales tactic that lets a product owner increase sales by allowing others targeting the same audience. Affiliates to earn a commission by recommending the products to others. At the same time, it makes it possible for affiliates to earn money from product sales without creating products of their own. Simply put, affiliate marketing involves referring a product or service by sharing it on a blog, social media platforms, website. The affiliate earn a commission each time someone makes a purchase through the unique link associated with their recommendation. Done well, this performance-based opportunity can become an important part of your business by netting you a healthy income. To participate in an affiliate marketing program, you will need to take these 5 simple steps. 1. Find and join an affiliate program. 2. Choose which offer to promote. 3. Obtain a unique affiliate link for each offer. 4. Share those links on your blog, social media platforms, or website. 5. Collect a commission anytime someone uses your links to make a purchase. Commission rates are depend on the company and the offer. On the low end, you will earn about 5% of the sales, but with some arrangements, you can earn as much as 50%, usually when promoting a class or event. There are also affiliate marketing programs that provide a flat rate per sale instead of a percentage. Thank you for watching.